Hello guys, so let's get our trading today. Today I'm trading on company stocks and all assets with the most optimal movement patterns and payout percentage you can see in front of your eyes. So of course I have already made a detailed analysis of the market for the last period of time and came to the conclusion that we will use the following indicator set. It will include downtrend channel with a period of 20. We remove the moving average line of this indicator, and instead of it we'll have a weighted moving average with a period of 20 and also CTA oscillator with a period of 20 as usual, guys. Today we'll analyze the movement of charts inside the channel indicator. We will also get signals from our weighted moving average because we need it to control the movement inside the channel indicator. And we will also analyze the overbought and oversold areas as usual. So I will try to explain each trade in detail. So I think as you trade, you will understand how to open position correctly and what conditions you have to meet in order to open a trade. Okay, we will start with $30. We will try to make a good run up of our deposit today. I think everything will go as it should, and we'll open all trades on the 1 minute time frame. So let's get started and pick up the first asset. Trust trading to the professionals. Our Telegram bot will help you find the best deals in the cryptocurrency market. Your profit is our priority. And let's open the first position here on the downside. We choose the shares of the company Twitter. We consider here the intra-channel movement and the opening occurs on the downward dynamics. For the extreme areas, we see that we have the potential for downward movement. Here we consider an intra-channel movement. We have an exit from the overbought area on the oscillator and the crossing of the weighted moving average from top to bottom. And here I look for downside opening. Considering it more acceptable, let's see the result of our first trade, guys. If you want to see real success stories and learn how others are winning with binary options, subscribe to my channel and join my Telegram group. Links are in the description. And the first position closed in plus perfectly. So quite a tense moment here, but of course I got it. But anyway, the position closed plus excellence to confirm the reliability of the work of this bunch of indicators. We'll open further position for the maximum out of balance. Okay, for now let's continue and pick up the following asset. Here we'll open a position on the upside. Again, we will analyze the intra-channel movements. We have a reversal. So far, it's a small reversal, but after the update of the global structural minimum, we saw it. Then the movement went upwards, and there was a very strong pullback in the dynamics. Then the crossover of the weighted moving average from bottom to top, and there was a small pullback again. And it's on that pullback we're playing. I suggest it would be better to open a trade on the upside. By the way, the moving line has not crossed the overbought area yet. Okay, let's see. Okay, and the position is also closed in plus without any problems. Okay, further trade is also opened on the maximum amount of balance. Let's continue. Let's pick the next entry point. Here we should immediately open a position on the downside. We open a trade after the formation of a new point of extremum and also visit a global structural maximum. And confirmation of the signal is the exit from the overbought area of the moving line oscillator. Here we have an extremum point and we play from the extremum point. Okay, let's see. Want to earn on crypto but don't know where to start? Our bot is your personal trader 24/7. Forecasts, signals, and strategies all in one place. And the position closed in plus. Good guys. First opening will also be carried out on the maximum amount of balance. Why not, guys? If it works, why not? Let's continue. Let's open a position on the upside here. There's an exit from the oversold area. Right now it's happening, and again we open a trade on the formation of a new point of extreme, but enough good pullback in the dynamics. The trend of the general trend is upward, so here we open a deal on the upside. Let's look at the result. I think a small exit, but still should happen. I think so, guys. Get in-depth market reports and future forecasts directly on your phone. Join our Telegram channel for weekly updates and detailed analysis. Click the link in the description to join now and stay ahead of the market. And as you can see, the exit happened and the position was also closed in plus perfectly. Further trading also continue with the opening on the maximum balance. Let's analyze some more interesting entry. Let's continue and pick up the next share of the company. And right here, I would probably prefer to open a trade on the upside. Of course, we open the trade before the moon line starts to cross the oversold area and come out of it. But based on dynamics moving, considering that we have a new global structural low and an extreme point is forming again, I realized that the pullback should continue and open the trade to the upside. Let's see the result, guys. Good. And as you can see, quite comfortably we had an exit and close the position in the plus. Let's open the next trade for the amount of $36. I'm not gonna risk the entire balance. The next trade will probably the conclusion of today's trade. I think you have understood the basic principles of the strategy and how to open trades inside the channel movement and on the formation of extreme points. So as a conclusion, we will open one more trade. Let's continue. Okay, let's try to open a position here again on the formation of the extreme points. But here I don't like the entry point because we have not broken through this touching level. And if the dynamics of the movement had gone a little bit lower and the structural minimum has formed at the moment somewhere here or here, then here we could open a trade for a rise. And so we still have the dynamics of movement can actually go lower. But anyway, the point of extreme is formed, so I have to open a position here. Let's see the result. I was just a little bit short to close the position in plus, but still it's close in minus, but that's okay, guys. I will be more than satisfied with today's profit. And that's all. So let's fix today's profit and move on to the conclusion. The amount of today's profit, $700. The operation of withdrawal is successfully executed. This is a trade for today turnout. With use these indicators, bunch of these indicators. I think I was able to explain everything very clearly, and I hope the questions remained at the minimum. And as always, I wish you a good day and see you soon, guys.